very good morning to all of you guys. Welcome to Guide. This is Aditya. I hope I'm audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. और आज का डिस्कशन रहेगा हमारा 19th of June के करंट अफेयर्स के ऊपर. We are moving into the end of June यार, slowly. This was the 6th month of 2025. Like we will not be able to realize that just now the 2025 was started and now we are moving towards the end of the June. Right? 6 महीने कंप्लीट होने जा रहे हैं और जुलाई स्टार्ट हो जाएगा बहुत जल्दी. Your IBPS revised calendar is already out. So as per the calendar, your IBPS exam, PO exam, clerk exam are going to be conducted first this year, right? तो strategy videos के according करेंगे क्योंकि RRB, PO और IBPS PO exam pattern is going to be different. तो मैं आज कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि आपका वीडियो दे दूँ because most probably I will not be available for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 2-3 days I need to travel to Delhi. तो 2-3 दिन के लिए मैं अवेलेबल नहीं रहूंगा तो मैं आज वीडियो कर दूंगा so you guys will have your time to spend over the video and after that what you can do is make your own strategy after getting some input from the video and start your preparation properly. ठीक है, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ आज आपको इवनिंग तक वो दे दूं या कल उसको मैं रिलीज करवा दूंगा. चलिए, so let's move into the session. स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं डिस्कशन को. न्यूज नंबर 1 है आपका, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया इंक्रीजेस द एजेंसी कमीशन फॉर द बैंक हैंडलिंग द गवर्नमेंट ट्रांजैक्शन. सो देयर इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट कॉल्ड एजेंसी बैंक. ये एग्जाम में भी आता है, इंटरव्यू में पूछा जाता है व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट एजेंसी बैंक. बात करेंगे इसके बारे में. व्हाट इज द कमीशन इंक्रीमेंट, विल सी दैट. सिक्योरिटीज एंड एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया अर्ज इन्वेस्टर्स टू यूज the centralized portal for making the payment for the payment advisor, research analyst, etc. So for the payment advisor, those who are advising for making the investment in a particular stock, in a particular equity mutual fund, or research analyst for making the payment to them, use the centralized portal that is launched by SEBI. उसका use करें, detail देखेंगे. रुपए JCB recently done the collaboration to provide the cashback on in-store purchase across 8 Asian nations, mainly our neighbor countries. So if we are using this particular card, either in the form of credit card or debit card, this is JCB Rupee Collaborated Debit and Credit Card Facility. So this card will be available. This not debit card, it will be a credit card. So this card will provide the cashback. इस कार्ड पर cashback मिलेगा in the 8 नेबर एशियन कंट्रीज ऑफ इंडिया. इंडिया के 8 जो नेबर्स हैं उनमें कैशबैक ऑफर अवेलेबल होगा व्हेन यू विल यूज इट ऑन द स्टोर, नॉट ऑनलाइन, इन स्टोर पेमेंट व्हेन यू विल मेक. टाटा कंसल्टेंसी सर्विसेज हैव डन द पार्टनरशिप विद द यूरोपियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक टू मॉडर्नाइज द फाइनेंशियल ऑपरेशंस ऑफ द यूरोपियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक. So one of the big bank of Europe is taking the support from the TCS from India for the purpose of modernization of their central banking operations. Basically, core banking solution system of TCS, that is called TCS Banks, is very famous. India के भी बड़े-बड़े बैंक जो हैं वो TCS Banks का use करते हैं. So European Development Bank is also going to adopt the TCS Banks of TCS for the modernization of the core banking solution. Indigo ranked 3rd globally among the low-cost airlines in the Skytrax 2025 award, which is also known as the Nobel Prize for Airlines. तो एयरलाइंस का नोबेल प्राइज कहे जाने वाले अवार्ड में इंडिगो को 3rd रैंक दी गई है ग्लोबली, वर्ल्ड लेवल पर. No other Indian company is there in the top 10. Only one company that is also on the 3rd position. It is Indigo. लो फेयर एयरलाइंस कैटेगरी में, लो कॉस्ट एयरलाइंस कैटेगरी में 3rd पोजीशन पर है इंडिगो. बिहार became the first Indian state to launch mobile based e-voting in the urban pools. So mobile e-based voting, that if a person is unable to reach to the polling booth, they will be able to make the voting from home itself. But how it is going to be possible, or will it be applicable for everyone? मैं बताऊंगा आपको डिटेल में. होमवर्क चेक कर लेते हैं पहले. अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिसेंट सर्कुलर ऑफ द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, रेगुलेटेड एंटिटीज मस्ट रिपोर्ट द डिजिटल लेंडिंग एप्लीकेशंस थ्रू व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्लेटफॉर्म. सो करेक्ट आंसर वाज सेंट्रलाइज्ड इंफॉर्मेशन मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, दैट इज CIMS platform. So by using the CIMS platform, by using the CIMS platform. Reserve Bank of India asked the regulated entities to give these digital lending applications to give or provide their information online. So the deadline was 15th of June. By 15th of June they had to provide all the information. ठीक है. Other important portals of Reserve Bank of India which were there in the news. So one is called Udgam portal. मैं एक बार रिवाइज करवा दूं सारे portals if you guys have time. हाँ, फटाफट से रिवाइज करवा दूंगा आरबीआई के जो इंपॉर्टेंट पोर्टल्स हैं. सो वन इज सेंट्रलाइज्ड इंफॉर्मेशन. दिस पोर्टल विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस, सीआईएमएस, सेंट्रलाइज्ड इंफॉर्मेशन मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम पोर्टल. So this is a portal as a collection of data from the different regulated entities. Another one is Udgam. Full form is Unclaimed Deposit Gateway to Access Information. Unclaimed Deposit Gateway to Access Information. This is another portal. So this portal is for the unclaimed deposit. That is your unclaimed deposit or the deposit which are not utilized for the duration of 10 years. You can check it which converted to DEF fund. जो DEF fund में चला गया उसको आप check कर सकते हो उद्गम के थ्रू. अंतर्दृष्टि. अंतर्दृष्टि is a portal for the financial inclusion. That how to check the financial inclusion. So RBI will check the progress of financial inclusion with the support of Antardrishti. Important hai. Then Pravah portal. Pravah portal full form is platform for regulatory application, validation and authorization. So Pravah portal is a portal with the support of which any bank NBFC can apply for further application. For example, a bank want to open a new branch. So how to take approval? Now bank can apply directly at Pravah portal to get the approval from Reserve Bank of India to open a new branch. कि नए branch open करने भाई RBI से approval लेना है तो Pravah पर apply कर दो. That is what Pravah. Utkarsh 2.2. Utkarsh 2.2. It is a type of strategy or strengthening regulatory supervision mechanism. It is a type of set of digital rules and regulations which are available for the bank and NBFCs to be followed. RBI Retail Direct Mobile Application. It is a mobile application with the support of which we can easily make the investment in the government securities. So government securities, government bond, treasury bill, cash management bill, in these type of areas when we want to make the investment, we can use what? Retail Direct Mobile Application. Then FinTech Repository. It is announced by the Reserve Bank of India for the collection of the data from the fintech sector. So in the upcoming days, RBI will be able to take the decision in a better way for the fintech sector. Another application called RBI Data. RBI Data is a very comprehensive application which will have the data of complete economic situations of India. So different type of economic data including budget, economic survey and other statistics regarding India will be available on the RBI Data application. Then RBI announced Bank.in and Fin.in initiative for the banking and financial sector. Bank required to use Bank.in as a domain name by which date that you need to tell me. किस डेट तक बैंक्स को ये जो है यूज करना है. पॉइंट क्लियर होगा. एक बार हमारा क्विक रिवीजन हुआ. These all are the very important portals of the Reserve Bank of India which I have explained you at a time in the last 1.5 minutes. Next question था, what is the name of the new exclusive credit card launched by Kotak Mahindra Bank? Correct answer is Kotak Solitaire Credit Card Facility. Next one, what is the name of Cardinal Robert Francis who have been elected as a new pope? नए पोप जो elect हुए इन्होंने अपना नाम क्या accept किया है? What is going to be the name of the new pope? Correct answer is Leo 14. So Leo 14 will be the name of the new pope. Leo 14 sir, who is a new pope of Christianity in the world, has already replaced to Mr. Pope Francis. Pope Francis sir who passed away few days before. So 8th of May 2025 was the date of election of the Leo 14. तो लियो 14 जो है इन्होंने सक्सीड किया है पोप फ्रांसिस को, हु पास्ड अवे ऑन 21st of April 2025. 1st of October इज करेक्ट भाई. एक ही आंसर आया. लेकिन आई वाज आस्किंग दैट व्हाट इज द डेट ऑफ द डेडलाइन, दैट बाय व्हिच डेट बैंक्स आर रिक्वायर्ड, किस डेट तक बैंक्स को कहा गया है कि भाई अडॉप्ट करो. तो एक ही ने आंसर किया. ऐसा क्यों? चलो. सो सबा, after that Uday, Abhinay, Varuni, after that Shri, Monica, Bharat, Karuna, Jaggi Durga Rao. Perfect answers, guys. Very good. Lakshmi, Selu, Rachna, Anusha, Veer, then Khan and Satya, Durga, Arjun, Parul, Vishnu, Prasanna, Siddharth, Simran, Arun, Kaushik, Shri, Ajit. Thank you, guys. Thank you for answers, everyone. Let's see the question for tomorrow, and after that we'll be moving toward the news of the day. Recently, India extended the financial assistance to which country by rolling out $50 million treasury bill for one more year? What is the percentage of stake SMBC Bank is going to acquire into the Yes Bank? Important question है. What is the percentage of stake Ant Group is planning to sell into the 19 Communication? तो ये हो गए आपके questions होमवर्क के. Banking current affairs questions थे from the month of May itself. G Hustle 2.2 is your one-stop solution for the preparation of complete banking awareness, complete current affairs, financial awareness, insurance awareness at one place. Credit officer for PNB and Central Bank of India, both the batches are live. You can get the information from the Guidely platform. Join it. Classes are going live at present. Banking awareness videos are already uploaded. GOAT is our personalized mentorship program, which with the support of which it will be making, we are trying to make your preparation journey easy for your upcoming examinations, and you can get selected as quick as possible. So welcome to Guidely, guys. This is my Telegram group. Here you will be able to get the PDF. Here you will be able to get the PDF for my Telegram, and here all the PDF you will be able to get from my classes. You can connect with me also if you have any confusion question. Directly you can connect with me. Daily I used to reply at least 80 to 90 student per day. कोशिश करता हूं मैं कि सबको हो जाए, बट 80-90 रिप्लाई एटलीस्ट पर डे करता ही करता हूं हर एक बच्चे को इंडिविजुअली. Reserve Bank of India increases the agency commission for the banks handling the government transaction. So first of all we should understand what is the meaning of term called agency bank. एक concept होता है जिसे कहा जाता है agency bank. What is the meaning of this? So agency banks are the banks which are allowed to perform the functions on behalf of Government of India or on behalf of state government. For example, if you will open the GST portal and you will try to fill the GST data or GST tax you want to make payment, there are few banks which are allowed on the GST portal to collect the tax. कुछ बैंक्स को अलाउ किया है आरबीआई ने, जो कि जीएसटी पोर्टल पर अवेलेबल हैं, और वो गवर्नमेंट के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं, टैक्स कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं. That money they will transfer or deposit to the account of Government of India. These banks are called agency bank. Simple example: government employees, retired government employees, government required to make every month salary, government required to make every month pension to their employees, correct? So the bank which work for Government of India or for the state government, for the disbursement of salary, for the disbursement of pension, they are called agency banks. वो banks जो authorize हैं सरकार के लिए, सरकार के खजाने से पैसा ट्रांसफर करने के लिए कि हाँ भाई आप पैसे डाल दो, ये सैलरी हो गया, ये पेंशन हो गया. So they are called agency banks. Is my point clear? बोलो yes or no. पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया ये वाला सबको? क्या मीनिंग क्या है एजेंसी बैंक्स का? सो नाउ द एजेंसी बैंक्स, will they do all these tasks free of cost? Even they are a public sector bank, will they do all these tasks free of cost? Answer is no. Agency bank perform functions for central government or state government for the commission. उनको हर ट्रांजेक्शन पर चाहिए होता है कमीशन. So the revenue receipts, what is the meaning of revenue receipts? Collection of income tax, collection of GST, ये हो गया आपका revenue receipts. Revenue receipts and payment transaction in the electronic mode, e-mode, digital mode. Agency banks commission increase from 9 rupees to 12 rupees per transaction. तो agency banks जो हैं इनका commission increase किया है RBI ने. Now it will be increased from 9 rupees to 12 rupees, will be paid by state government or central government. तो या तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट फॉर whom they are working, they need to pay. So 9 rupees to 12 rupees the commission now increase हो गया है. For the digital mode, electronic transaction. For the physical mode, physical transaction, For the physical mode, physical transaction or commission capped 40 rupee per transaction and there is no change. So 40 rupee per transaction physical mode के लिए रखा हुआ है. For the pension payment related to the central and state government, the commission has increased from 75 rupees to 80 rupees per transaction. तो 75 rupees से बढ़ाकर 80 रुपी कर दिया गया per transaction. Commission which will be taken by bank from the central or state government for the pension or for the pension payment के लिए. Other payment, non pension, for example salaries and all, commission rate have been increased from 6.5 paisa to 7 paisa on each 100 rupee. हर एक 100 रुपी पर 65 पैसा से 7 पैसा कर दिया, 6.5 पैसा से 7 पैसा कर दिया गया on each 100 रुपी. डिटेल्ड न्यूज है and important points हैं. There is a chances they may raise the question in the upcoming examination, so we should cover and revise it properly. ठीक है. 1st of April 2025 onwards, these charges are going to be applicable. So it means from the previous transaction also it will be applicable. In May 2025, a working group of the Reserve Bank of India chaired by Radha Syam Rathu, who was the retired director of the Reserve Bank of India and the National Housing Bank, reviewed the trading and settlement timing and recommended extending the call money market trading hours as well. तो call money market के trading hours को extend करने का recommendation आया है by a committee that was led by Radha Shyam Rathu. Now RBI will take the decision in the upcoming days based on this. अभी सिर्फ क्या आया है? Recommendation. So that is a suggestion, recommendation that is came from a committee, a high-level working group committee formed by Reserve Bank of India. Committee chairperson was Radha Syam Rathu. नाम याद रखेंगे. Talking about the Reserve Bank of India, RBI founded on 1st of April 1935, nationalized on 1st of January 1949. So RBI was formed according to the RBI Act 1934. According to this act, RBI was formed. But RBI was nationalized according to RBI Act 1948. So RBI का nationalization हुआ था according to the RBI Act 1948. Headquarter Mumbai, Maharashtra. Previously headquarter was located in Kolkata. Shifted to Mumbai, Maharashtra in the year 1937. So for initial 2 years, headquarter was in Kolkata, 35 to 36, 36 to 37. 37 it was shifted to Mumbai, Maharashtra. Hilton Young Commission was the committee. On the recommendation of Hilton Young Commission, this Reserve Bank of India was formed. Hilton Young Commission was also known as Royal Commission on Indian Currency and Finance. First governor of Reserve Bank of India was Osborne Smith. First Indian governor was C.D. Deshmukh, Chintaman Dwarkanath Deshmukh sir. 26th governor of Reserve Bank of India is Mr. Sanjay Malhotra. Mr. Sanjay Malhotra replaced to Shaktikanta Das. Current 4 deputy governors are T. Ravishankar, S. Swaminathan, M. Rajeshwar Rao ji and Poonam Gupta ma'am. So these are the current deputy governors of RBI. तो मैंने आपको पूरा static part बता दिया. Point clear है यहाँ तक? Quick revision हो गया आपका regarding RBI? Yes or no? And in the chat box CC one time quickly. Next news. Securities and Exchange Board of India urge investors to use CEFCOM. Full form is Centralized Fee Collection Mechanism. Centralized Fee Collection Mechanism is a portal. ये एक तरीके से portal है. It is a digital portal where the transactions will be equipped and collected and registered properly. So to avoid the digital frauds, it is a better way to make the payment to the research analyst or to the investment advisors. So a person, I am taking investment advisory from a particular person who is knowledgeable about the market. Now this person is guiding me. Aditya, do one thing, make investment in this particular equity. This equity is fine. Make this much amount of rupee equity investment. Then make investment in this mutual fund. Make investment in this government fund. This is how your portfolio is diversified. तो उन्होंने मुझे explain कर दिया. Now definitely someone is guiding you will ask for some charges. So when I am making the payment to him, I can make the payment in the form of cash. I can make the payment with the support of direct UPI or Phone Pay or Google Pay, anything. I can make the payment in so many ways. SEBI is suggesting that avoid any type of digital frauds. avoid any type of digital frauds, keep the transaction registered on the centralized portal. The portal is called centralized fee collection mechanism, where if this person is a verified investor, this person is a verified investment advisor, then this person is automatically listed over this portal. उस पर्सन का डिटेल, पेमेंट स्टेटस, एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल ओवर दैट पोर्टल. So directly over the portal we can make the payment instead of making payment personally to the UPI. समझ में आया क्या मीनिंग है? So if you will observe, for example, you are using any facility of Ola or Uber. Within Ola or Uber there is an option of payment. उसी Ola Uber में option of payment available है, that on the portal itself you can click play now and you can make the payment. Same thing SEBI is saying, that don't make the payment individually in the UPI, make the payment on centralized fee collection mechanism. Why? Only on this portal verified investment advisors, verified research analysts will be available. So it will by this you can avoid making any type of digital frauds. आपके digital frauds से बचने के chances बढ़ जाएंगे. So you will avoid the digital frauds by that. So this portal was launched on 1st of October 2024, operated by BSE Limited in collaboration with Mutual Fund Utilities India Private Limited. It was launched. So this portal already have all the options of the payment. You can use net banking, UPI, debit card, credit card, IMPS, NEFT, RTGS, check payment, anything you can do digitally with the support of this portal. As on 10th of June 2025, investors have paid only 5 crore rupee through this portal. Now SEBI also announced to launch SEBI Check. इन्होंने अनाउंस किया है that SEBI will come with a new portal called SEBI Check by October 1st. By 1st of October 2025. SEBI Check will give the information about the UPI handles, bank account links, which are verified by the SEBIs and related to the investment advisors, stockholders, etc., stock brokers, etc. तो स्टॉक ब्रोकर्स के, इन्वेस्टमेंट एडवाइजर्स के जो यूपीआई हैंडल्स हैं और जो उनके बैंक अकाउंट्स हैं, वो सब वेरीफाई होकर यहाँ पर आपको मिल जाएंगे. A new UPI system will be used very soon, which will have BRK for the broker. UPI handle में ही लिखा होगा BRK for the broker, MF for the mutual fund, and @ valid tag which is issued by the NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. So SEBI is trying to decrease the digital frauds on the name of making the investment in the stock market. News clear है भाई सारे लोगों को? बोलिए yes or no. अक्टूबर तक बोला है SEBI ने, they will be coming up with the new updates by October 2025. Next news is RuPay JCB card. RuPay, NPCI, JCB is a NBFC, non-bank financial company. It's a NBFC. So JCB collaborated with RuPay for the purpose of launching the 25% cashback of our RuPay debit and credit card facility. It will be available for our neighbor Asian countries like Japan, South Korea, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Singapore, Thailand, Hong Kong. So whenever you will be visiting to these nations, and in any shop in these nations, whenever you will swipe your card, जैसे ही आप अपना कार्ड स्वाइप करोगे and you will make the payment on POS, point of sale, in store POS, so you will be eligible for the cashback up to 25%. तो 25% तक का cashback जो है उस पर available होगा. Maximum cashback transaction is 1,500. Total cashback per card during the offer will be 15,000 rupees. So up to 15,000 rupee cashback will be available. So it is one of the offer, limited time offer to increase the customer base of JCB in collaboration with RuPay. So JCB RuPay came with the facility of the credit and debit card by which they want to increase the customer by offering the cashback. ये है point. Tata Consultancy Services recently collaborated with the European Development Bank, one of the biggest bank from the Europe. European Development Bank will be taking the digital facilities of Tata Consultancy Services. There is a very famous core banking solution product of TCS called TCS Banks. This is a very famous product of TCS. So TCS will deploy AI powered solution TCS Bank for the complete digital functions of the European Development Bank. So simple news है, European Development Bank ने collaboration किया TCS के साथ, in which TCS will be offering the core banking solution TCS Banks to European Development Bank, or by this European Development Bank will be able to improve their digital operational facility for the customers. Customers के लिए digital facility improve की जा सकती है. Let's revise what are the recent point regarding the TCS in the recent news. So Tata Consultancy Services is there in the top 100 most valued companies by Kantar Brands 2025. Very important news. So TCS was on 45th position. TCS आपका 45th position पर रहा है according to the Kantar Brands 2025 report. Although in this index or in this report, Apple was on top, followed by Google and Microsoft. So top three companies according to the Kantar Brands 2025, Apple, Google, Microsoft. One Indian company is there in the top 100, that is TCS at the 45th position. तो 45वें नंबर पर TCS है, important point था. Second है, अच्छा TCS we have already discussed collaborated with the European Development Bank. एक और point था आपके पास, recently there was a collaboration that is done between Andhra Pradesh government along with IBM and TCS. So IBM and TCS have partnered with the Andhra government for the development of Quantum Valley Tech Park in Amravati. Amravati, which is a new capital of Andhra Pradesh. तो आंध्र प्रदेश का जो नया कैपिटल है उसके साथ. ठीक है, पॉइंट क्लियर है यहां तक. चलिए आगे मूव करें. Competition Commission of India, 2-3 news are there related to acquisition. Important for RRBPO examination. In the last year RRBPO examination, from the business news category, 5 to 6 questions were straightforward came to the exam. So Competition Commission of India approved 99.44% stake in Ecom Express acquired by Delivery. So Delivery is one of the biggest, you can say that this logistic company now in India. So Delivery acquired 99.44% stake in the Ecom Express. तो Ecom Express का total stake आप बोल सकते हो almost, थोड़ा सा छोड़ा है फाउंडर के लिए, remaining almost every stake, that is 99.44% stake acquired by Delivery. So Delivery ने acquire कर लिया बाकी पूरा. It is approved by the Competition Commission of India. Another news is Competition Commission of India approved the proposal of combination of acquisition of SML Isuzu Limited by Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. SML Isuzu is a automobile manufacturing company which basically deals with the automobile manufacturing related to commercial vehicles. Commercial vehicles banata hai Isuzu. Maybe you guys have seen the vehicles of Isuzu on the roads in India itself. So SML Isuzu will be acquired by Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. तो Mahindra and Mahindra Limited जो है इनको acquire करने जा रहा है. So SML Isuzu will be acquired by Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Mahindra and Mahindra Limited इनको क्या करेगा? Acquire कर लेगा for the purpose of making the logistic related transportation vehicle. After that different agriculture product भी बनाएंगे वो साथ में मिलकर with the Isuzu. So Isuzu. So Isuzu Limited acquired by SML Isuzu Limited will be acquired by Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. तो Mahindra and Mahindra Limited जो है इनको acquire करने जा रहा है. ठीक है, अभी full details नहीं आए हैं. We didn't got the full detail. जितना detail public domain में available है, that is there in your class also. So how much amount, how much percentage, that may get later. तो वो डिटेल जैसे ही आएगा आई विल शेयर विथ यू गाइज इन द अपकमिंग डेज, जो भी अपडेट्स होंगे मैं शेयर करता रहूंगा, ठीक। यूग्रो कैपिटल टू एक्वायर प्रोफैक्स कैपिटल एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1400 करोड़। अभी यहां पर देखो डिटेल्स अवेलेबल इन द पब्लिक डोमेन that Ugro Capital is going to acquire 100% share of Profax Capital Private Limited at the cost of 1400 crore rupee. That is available. So Competition Commission of India have approved the acquisition of Profax Capital Private Limited. It is one of the NBFC. ये एक NBFC है, non-bank financial company. Ugro Capital is also a NBFC, non-bank financial company. Ugro Capital is mainly फोकस्ड ऑन एमएसएमई लैंडिंग, माइक्रो स्मॉल मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस लैंडिंग में ये फोकस करता है यूग्रो ऑलरेडी हैव कोलैबोरेशन विद आईसीआईसी बैंक, विद एसबीआई फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ एमएसएमई लैंडिंग इन इंडिया. So Ugro Capital have done the collaboration, have got the approval from the Competition Commission of India to acquire 100% stake in Profax Capital Private Limited at the cost of 1400 crore rupee. तो 1400 करोड़ रुपए के कॉस्ट पर एक्वायर किया. द एक्विजिशन एम एक्सपांडिंग द यूग्रो कैपिटल लोन एमएसएमई लोन बिजनेस. तो एमएसएमई लोन बिजनेस को और ज्यादा इंक्रीज करने के लिए इन्होंने इस कैपिटल को एक्वायर किया है. पोस्ट एक्विजिशन प्रोफैक्स कैपिटल विल बिकम द होली ओन्ड सब्सिडरी ऑफ यूग्रो कैपिटल. The acquisition is expected to add approximately 150 crore rupee of annual profit to Ugro Capital. तो Ugro Capital का yearly profit increase होगा and this Profax will become one of the subsidiary of Ugro Capital. ये हो गया आपके पास पॉइंट. बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल न्यूज कैटेगरी से पॉइंट क्लियर है यहां तक? यस और नो करते हुए चलिएगा. अनुराधा ठाकुर मैम appointed as one of the board of director of SEBI in place of Mr. अजय सेठ. अजय सेठ सर की जगह पर अनुराधा ठाकुर मैम को सेबी के बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स में अपॉइंट किया गया है. सो इफेक्टिव फ्रॉम 1st of July 2025 अनुराधा ठाकुर मैम विल टेक चार्ज. अनुराधा ठाकुर मैम विल टेक चार्ज as one of the director of SEBI in place of अजय सेठ जी. तो अजय सेठ जी की जगह पर अनुराधा ठाकुर मैम को अपॉइंट किया जा रहा है सेबी के बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स में. याद रखना है कहां पर अपॉइंट किया जा रहा है? इन द सेबी बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स. तो सेबी बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स में इनको अपॉइंट किया गया है. another member, another one of the director of the SEBI, another one of the director of the SEBI is Deepti Gaur Mukherjee ma'am. So another one of the director in the SEBI is Deepti Gaur Mukherjee ma'am, who is a corporate affairs secretary. So Deepti Gaur Mukherjee, Anuradha Thakur, both belongs to Government of India, will be representing the Government of India in the SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. Currently the chairperson of SEBI is तुहिन कांत पांडे जी. तो करंट में जो SEBI के chairperson है तुहिन कांत पांडे हैं. And Deepti Gaur Mukherjee and Anuradha Thakur, both will be representing the Government of India in the SEBI board, Securities and Exchange Board of India. नेशनल न्यूज पर आते हैं. इंडिगो रैंक्ड थर्ड ग्लोबली इन द लो कॉस्ट एयरलाइंस बाय द स्काई ट्रैक्स 2025 अवार्ड. तो इन द स्काई ट्रैक्स वर्ल्ड एयरलाइन 2025 अवार्ड, दिस वन योर इंडिगो रैंक्ड थर्ड इन द ग्लोबल रैंक, तीसरे नंबर पर आया है. दिस अवार्ड इज ऑल्सो नोन एज ऑस्कर ऑफ द एविएशन इंडस्ट्री. इसी अवार्ड को कहा जाता है Oscar of the aviation industry. So this award is known as Oscar of the aviation industry. The 25th 2025 edition, based on 22.3 million passengers voted globally, covering the 325 airlines, and in the top 10 airlines there is only one Indian airlines, that is Indigo. Top 10 में Indigo अकेली airlines है इंडिया से, from the side of India. ठीक है. This award ceremony was held in Le Bourget Airport in Paris, and in the rank Air Asia Malaysia, it is on the top. ये आपकी टॉप पर रही है. Scott from the Singapore is on the second position. ये आपका सेकंड नंबर पर रहा. Indigo was on third position. None other the Indian company was there in the top 10. So आपका जो इंडिगो है, it is there in the top 3 in the low cost airlines according to the Skytrax. Next one. Next news. Indian Council of Medical Research and World Health Organization have collaborated together for the purpose of launching India's first National Child Growth Standard Survey. National Child Growth Standard Survey. What is the meaning? At the age of 5, what should be the strength of a child? What should be the height of a child? What should be the immunity system? How should be the immunity system of a child? Such type of national medical standards. कि भैया एक पर्टिकुलर एज पर एक बच्चे का वेट कितना होना चाहिए, हाइट कितना होना चाहिए, इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम कैसा होना चाहिए, बॉडी स्ट्रेंथ कैसा होना चाहिए, बोन डेंसिटी कैसी हो. So all these things should be there on a particular age. I'm just taking example age 5, age 1, age 2, age 3. At particular age, what should be the standard? So to create such type of child national standards, survey is conducted by Indian Council of Medical Research along with World Health Organization in the diverse zone: Shillong Northeast, Delhi North, Pune West, Bangalore South, then Purulia East. In such areas, आंगनवाड़ी मेंबर्स आर कंडक्टिंग सर्वे. तो सर्वे कंडक्ट किया जा रहा है अलग अलग जगह पर, which will be able to give a better understanding about the kids in the different region, and based on that midday meal and other treatments can be provided, that in which area nutrition is low and nutrition can be increased by providing what type of additives. तो क्या क्या चीजें जो है ऐड करके बच्चों को बेटर बनाया जा सकता है, हेल्थ वाइज मेडिकली फिट बनाया जा सकता है. सो फॉर दैट द सर्वे स्टार्टेड बाय इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ मेडिकल रिसर्च अलोंग विद द वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन WHO के साथ में मिलकर. इंडिया होस्ट फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल बिग कैट अलायंस असेंबली टू लीड द ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन. So India showcased the leadership in the biodiversity conservation by hosting the first assembly of the International Big Cat Alliance in New Delhi. So International Big Cat Alliance का पहला मीटिंग अभी हुआ न्यू दिल्ली में. India was the chairperson of this. So it was superheaded by the Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav ji. Bhupendra Yadav sir was the chairperson of this particular event that was done. Big Cat Alliance is not a new news now. If you are attending the current affairs classes from few months back, you have heard about the Big Cat Alliance multiple times. Big Cat Alliance is a global initiative which was launched in March 2024 under the National Tiger Conservation Authority and under National Tiger Conservation Authority. Now it includes 95 member countries which are ready to protect the 7 wide range of the big cats. So these 7 wide range of the big cats are tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard, cheetah, jaguar and puma. तो 7 डिफरेंट कैटेगरी में जो आपके बिग कैट्स हैं उनको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए इसको किया गया. ये अभी जून, मार्च और मई, इन बिटवीन मार्च एंड अप्रैल आल्सो इट वाज इन न्यूज. मार्च अप्रैल में भी ये न्यूज में आया था. आई विल रिवाइज दैट एमसीक्यूज एज वेल. मैं वो वाले एमसीक्यूज भी एक बार आपके रिवाइज करवा दूंगा. ठीक है. इंडियन अमेरिकन फैजान जाकी win 2025 script national B competition in USA. So Faizan Zaki, 13-year-old Indian American from Texas, 2025 script national B competition. He won spelling correctly this word. I cannot. Otherwise I could win it, right? So these type of words you need to pronounce in the national spelling bee competition, and if you will be able to pronounce it correctly, then you will be one of the winner. ठीक है, आप विनर बन जाओगे. So he is on the top. Faizan Zaki is on the top in this category. He was the winner of 2025 script national bee competition. ठीक है. Indian American है, that is why name is important. Indian American है, that is why name is important. Zaki will receive $50,000 and a medal and trophy and $2,500 prize along with the reference library from Merriam-Webster. So Merriam-Webster dictionary, तो उनका एक रेफरेंस लाइब्रेरी जो है उसका एक्सेस मिलेगा, एक वो मिलेगा उनको, बुक मिलेगा. सो दैट इज ऑल द अवार्ड मनी अबाउट इट. ये सब इनका अवार्ड मनी है. ठीक. सो नूपुर लाहा वाज द फर्स्ट इंडियन अमेरिकन विन द कंपटीशन इन द ईयर 1999. दिस ईयर इट इज फैजान जाकी. आंध्र प्रदेश बेलम caves declared as a geo-heritage site by the Geological Survey of India. So Belum caves, which are Belum caves, uh, which are created millions of years back by the constant underwater flow. So it is a naturally made caves, not man-made. Man-made caves nahi hai. These caves are made naturally. It is located in the Nandyal district of Andhra Pradesh. कहाँ पर located है? तो Nandyal district of Andhra Pradesh में located है. Geological Survey of India recently announced them the geo heritage site. So Geological Survey of India identified the Belum caves located in the Nandyal district of Andhra Pradesh as the geo heritage site. इनको geo heritage site announce किया गया है. Now the state government and central government will work towards increasing the tourism in this area. कि tourism इस area में बढ़ाया जा सके. Chennai unveils India's first ever resting pod for the gig workers, setting the new standards for the worker welfare. So this type of pod facility was created by the Chennai Municipal Corporation with the support of the state government. So Greater Chennai Corporation and City for Worker Initiative, they came together and created such type of pod with the clean, safe drinking water facility, resting facility. So they can, while food delivery and all, they will be able to utilize this pod for taking the rest during the peak hours. जब भी आपका बहुत ज़्यादा temperature है और if there is any very heavy rain, so at that time this is going to be one of the place which will be very useful for resting for such type of people. So it is located in Anna Nagar, inaugurated in June 2024, and it is going to be a dedicated public facility for the gig workers. Chennai to host inaugural Hockey India Master Cup 2025, bringing together the veteran men and women to celebrate India's rich hockey heritage. So hockey unity of the Tamil Nadu and Mayor Radhakrishnan Hockey Stadium. The tournament feature former Olympian national players competing age-based category. So 12 men team of Andhra Pradesh, 12 men teams from Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Odisha and other states, and 8 women teams are going to participate into that. तो 12 men's की team और 8 women's की team इसमें participate करने जा रही हैं. It is going to be the first edition of the inaugural Hockey India Master Cup 2025, which will be started from Chennai. Bihar became the first Indian state to launch mobile-based e-voting facility. From the mobile only we will be able to do the voting. Bihar State Election Commission expected to revolutionize the voting accessibility, particularly for the marginalized and the remote population. Mobile-based e-voting rollout, especially in the Bihar, to operate through 2 dedicated Android mobile application. One is called e-voting SECBHR, and second application developed by the Bihar State Election Commission. So with the support of, now the government is saying it will not be hacked. सरकार बोल रही है ऐप है, हैक नहीं कर पाएंगे. We have created it with the safety, but let's see. So it will be helpful for the migrant workers, those who are unable to go to those who are unable to reach the polling booth. Migrant workers, person with disability, pregnant women, senior citizen, seriously ill individuals. So they will be able to utilize this application for the voting purpose. ठीक है. So blockchain based handling transparency है. So it will be easy that who have voted, from where they have voted. Then liveness detection to confirm the voter presence, face match and live face authentication, face comparison with the pre-recorded voter data, and audit trial similar to the VVPAT. तो ये सारी फैसिलिटीज में अवेलेबल होंगी. स्पोर्ट्स न्यूज में एक लास्ट न्यूज है. कैनेडियन ग्रैंड प्रिक्स 2025 won by Mercedes driver George Russell. So George Russell won the first victory of the 2025 season. Canadian Grand Prix won by him. I'll give you the list. मैं एक पूरा लिस्ट बनाकर आपको इसका दूंगा. Sustainable Gastronomy Day 2025 is on 18th of June. 18th of June को आपका ये अवेलेबल होगा, मतलब सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है 18th of June को. Sustainable Gastronomy Day 2025 on 18th of June. a type of theme is local seats, local eat, local seats, local eats. So here you will be able to get the PDF immediately after the session. मैं ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ दिल्ली के लिए, एज मैंने आपको बताया कल ही ट्रैवल करना है मुझे. सो व्हाट आई डू इज आई ट्राई टू रिकॉर्ड द TNA टुडे इटसेल्फ. मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि मैं आपका TNA आज ही रिकॉर्ड कर दूं बाय एंड ऑफ द डे, लेट नाइट. सो यू विल बी एबल टू गेट द अपडेट्स बाय टुमारो. कल सुबह आपको सेम टाइम पर मैं प्रीव्यू करवा दूंगा सेशन को. सो डू वॉच इट. If I'll record it at late night, you should utilize it properly. ठीक है. And those who are there in the Chennai, sorry, not Chennai, those who are there in the Delhi, New Delhi, and want to meet me, connect with me over the Telegram. I'll share the venue and all with you. Thank you for